We made 2 stops on today's afternoon ride. First we rode out the Flume, another film, and then we came back to this site. This is a pullout on Highway 141 at approximately mile marker 80, right before the Flume pullout and information area as you are traveling towards Grand Junction. This area has a number of placards up that give a brief history of mining in the area. We pulled off here and I launched the mini drone to get better footage of the abandoned mines in the ridgeline and get some spectacular views of the Dolores River Valley where it joins with the San Miguel River and Valley system. The flight gives perspective too, as I can see the Lusal Mountains at altitude, and this completes a mental image of the area in my brain. I hope you enjoy the flight. Thank you for spending time with me. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed flying along with us today. And thank you.